Good morning. Well, it looks like I'm getting equities wrong at the moment as they keep bouncing, pushing higher, but I still don't trust it. So I'm still on the bear side, really, respecting the price action a little bit. But what I really wanted to talk to you about is President Biden is talking about giving Ukraine open slather long-range missiles into Russia. That's real getting across the line of real active war stuff. The tricky part about that is that those missile systems require, I'm hearing, but who knows these days, so I could be wrong, but I'm hearing those missile systems require actual US guidance, satellite information, US guidance at some level, and therefore that's direct US involvement in an attack on Russian soil. Now, I'm not trying to judge this in any way strategically. I think, personally, I think it's a little bit pushing the envelope, and you could get a serious reaction from Russia, as in those US control centers then become legitimate targets. So I'm not taking a political side, I'm just saying these are the risks, and therefore gold could continue to scream higher. Oil, I think, has finally seen a long-term bottom. I am long oil and buying more. The thing about the US dollar is a little bit confusing, because I actually feel like usually the US dollar is a safe haven currency, but it has a fiscal crisis, it has an uncertain political future, it has a slowing economy, it has interest rates being cut, and in fact, if there were an escalation in the Ukraine-Russian conflict, so if long-range weapon missiles hit Russia, Russia is going to use a lot more than it has of its arsenal so far against Ukraine. So the escalation will be significant. In that scenario, perhaps the new global safe haven currencies are not the US dollar or sterling, but are in fact the South African rand, the Brazilian real, and the Australian dollar. And I've been bearish the Australian dollar, but the US dollar's just started to fall sharply. I've only been bullish the US dollar for safe haven and higher yield, but I think we could be at a trigger point, a tipping point here, where US bonds start to fall again, US dollar continues to fall, gold screams higher on the back of both a weaker US dollar and an escalating conflict, either or both Middle East and Ukraine. These are not happy. This is not a happy update, but we need to be aware of the potential significant, very significant market shifts. I hope this helps in some way. Have a great day.